A lot of people would say that it may be too late to start a new YouTube channel this year because there are already a lot of content creators on the platform that have established their own subscriber base, and it will be too hard to compete with that. But that is completely untrue. YouTube has grown over the past year and has introduced new features that can help you grow your channel from scratch to get that genuine, authentic, organic growth to help you build a community or get more leads for your business. But take note that growing a YouTube channel organically takes time, effort, patience, and dedication. There is no overnight success. Hi, I'm Lynn Padetti from Dawn Media Productions, and I'm here to help business owners and YouTubers establish and grow their YouTube channels through tailored fit strategies from our experts with years of experience in the marketing and e-commerce field. Now in this video, I will share with you 5 tried and tested tips that helped us grow YouTube channels from 0 to thousands of subscribers. These are exactly the tips that we advise and make our clients do that have brought guaranteed results. So make sure you stick with me until the end, because the last tip is the most important one that has brought the biggest impact and best results to most content creators and our clients. Now with all that out of the way, let's get straight into the first tip: basic optimization. Now for starters, you don't have to have fancy camera equipment. You can use what you have. Now when I started, I was only using my stock laptop webcam and cell phone camera to film myself and make videos. Those expensive and professional cameras are nice to have, but not really a requirement. Just make sure that you have adequate lighting, a tidy background, and a clear voice so your audience can understand your message. Making the most out of what you already have is key to being able to start now without spending lots of money. And yes, we are filming this video with a professional camera at the moment, but I strongly believe that if you apply the other tips that I'm about to share with you, this same video filmed with a lower end camera can still yield the same results. Basic optimization also includes having catchy and attractive titles and thumbnail images. Honestly, I judge a YouTube video by its thumbnail image. Well, would you click it right at the bat if it already looks uninteresting and not really put together? Well, think of YouTube thumbnail and title as an invitation to your audience, like pictures of food outside a restaurant. The more appealing it appears, the more likely that people will come in and eat at that restaurant. Which means the more well put and well made your thumbnails are, the more likely that users are going to click and watch it. Of course, this goes hand in hand with the title. These two have the most impact when it comes to increasing organic views. Take note though, having a catchy title and thumbnail does not mean using clickbait. Clickbait generally just means there is a curiosity gap. You create a curiosity that you'd never resolve. Although YouTube does not penalize clickbait, it will actually hurt your channel more. The YouTube algorithm pushes videos up according to video retention and not video views. The problem with clickbait is that your video can have a lot of views but very low retention, since viewers will eventually leave the video in the first minute or so. This will lead the algorithm to less likely put out your video more on suggested pages and search results. That is not what you want. Which leads me to the second tip: create pillar content. Creating valuable, relevant, and educational content is still the queen. As a content creator on YouTube, your primary aim must be to deliver quality content that can benefit your audience for years to come. Pillar content are quality videos that can provide beneficial information and education which can remain searchable and valuable to your audience for years to come. Sure, there are creators that deliver low quality content, but as a new YouTuber or business owner, that is not something you would like to be known for. Delivering quality content means providing well-researched information that can help solve problems or answer questions in a creative or entertaining manner. It takes a lot of practice to get the hang of it, but being able to do so greatly helps with video retention, because if you maintain consistent informative content throughout your videos, then your audience will most likely stick with it until the end, helping your videos get picked up more by the algorithm, ultimately getting more exposure and subscribers. The beauty of creating pillar content is that it remains valuable even when time passes. This means consistent and steady views for your channel, even from old videos, which can directly translate into steady growth and new subscribers coming in, and not just one video spike in your analytics for 3 days and then forgotten forever. Delivering pillar content also involves creating videos on a specific niche. When you are just starting out or attempting to grow your channel, people don't know you yet. It's normal that they are not interested in you. This is why it's very important to stick with a specific niche or topic that people are already searching for or curious about. As you establish yourself as a credible and reliable source of information regarding the niche that you chose, you can start building your own identity. This is how you can make people interested in you or your business, and this is how you put yourself on the map. So don't start with what's in your bag or a day in your life. Well, you can, but that's not the best approach when you are just starting out. Start with how-to tutorials, listicle videos, or educational videos. And after you've figured out your niche and what kinds of videos you want to start publishing, you can now incorporate tip number 3. Stick to a consistent posting schedule. The ideal posting schedule for YouTube would be 1 video in a week. But if producing 1 video is time consuming and dreadful for you, you don't have to follow this schedule. You can post twice a month, once a month, or any schedule that you prefer. What's important though is consistency. It's better to post on a consistent schedule than post videos daily and then sporadically. Consistency helps your audience know when to expect a new video from you. I know that creativity and motivation ebbs and flows. It happens to all of us. There are days when you don't want to deal with doing a video at all, but there are days when you are bursting with morale and ideas. The key here is to bank up those videos on the days that you are feeling like it. You plan ahead. You can make scripts in bulk, create, shoot, and then edit as many videos as you can on those days. Then you can upload multiple videos at a single time, but use YouTube's scheduling tool to publish videos on a consistent schedule. So if you can shoot and edit 4 videos in a week, then you are set for 1 video per week for the following month. Isn't that a relief? The YouTube algorithm rewards consistency by pushing them higher on recommended and search lists. This is because YouTube is a business that earns by promoting ads. If you produce high quality and consistent content, then you are making your videos more viable for YouTube to generate revenue, and thus it will push it forward to a wider audience. Upload YouTube Shorts. One of the YouTube's newest features is YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts enables users to produce vertical short-form videos up to 60 seconds long. Audiences today have developed a much lesser attention span and are more drawn to shorter videos with bite-sized content. This is where YouTube Shorts can come in handy. You can use Shorts to create entertaining videos, quick tutorials, or step-by-step videos around your niche. The best thing about YouTube Shorts is that it can get more exposure and drive subscribers on your channel. YouTube viewers will be able to watch it from their YouTube Shorts shelf, whether they are a subscriber or not. So the YouTube Shorts of a channel will be visible to YouTube users with only a simple swipe, and the subscribe button conveniently placed on it for easy access. Having the subscriber box always visible when you post a short makes it easy to subscribe if people like what they see. Shorts also help you to navigate YouTube's algorithm because your channel will see an increase in engagement, one of the key ranking factors for how YouTube prioritizes content. Now, moving on to the last tip, but before I tell you the last and most important tip, make sure you hit the subscribe and bell button so you won't miss my next video about 4 reasons why you need to use video marketing to grow your business. Also, if you are a YouTuber or business owner struggling with content creation, editing, or growing your channel, we can help. Because at Dawn Media Productions, we have experts to help you optimize, strategize, and produce videos for your YouTube channel and other social media platforms. You can visit dawnmediaproductions.com by clicking the link above or in the description box below to get started and get the help you need. Now for tip number 5, repurposing content on TikTok. A lot of people may feel intimidated or repulsive when it comes to creating content on TikTok because it may still hold a reputation of having it completely run by mindless Gen Z teens. Well, it may still have content like that, but let me tell you, the TikTok algorithm is an amazing tool you have to take advantage of. At this time, TikTok has tons of great and informative content creators like licensed dietitians, doctors, licensed therapists, business owners, makeup artists, and more that share valuable content. So it's no longer just trendy dance moves and ridiculous challenges. The amazing part is TikTok has a great algorithm that makes it easier for your content to get pushed further and get watched by more people. Think of YouTube's algorithm as more viewer-based. YouTube structures the suggested videos and recommendations according to the viewer's preferences. The goal of the platform is to make the user stay for as long as possible. Whereas on TikTok, it's more creator-based. It pushes new videos from new creators to a wider audience and incorporates diversity on each user's For You page, which means TikTok aims to introduce as many creators to their viewers as possible. This is why on TikTok, it's easier to go viral. When you accumulate followers and interest on TikTok by uploading educational and authentic videos that show your behind the scenes, there's a guaranteed chance that some of those people will spill over to your YouTube channel and help you grow there faster. Now, a combination of all of these 5 tips can help you get a steady growth on your YouTube channel. Make sure to start using them to start seeing results. So, what do you think about these 5 tips? Have you tried any of them? Let us know your experience in the comment section down below. And for more tips on growing your YouTube channel and similar content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like and comment below. Now, I'll see you in the next video about 4 reasons why you need to use video marketing to grow your business.